Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XRP from Uphold to MetaMask in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP tokens for better security, DeFi opportunities, or just more control, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple and straightforward, even if you're new to the crypto world. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both Uphold and MetaMask set up on your device. If you haven't already, download the MetaMask extension for your browser and create a wallet. Remember, XRP operates on its own ledger, so you'll need to ensure MetaMask is configured correctly, possibly using a bridge or a compatible network like the XRP ledger integration tools available in 2025. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and switch to the appropriate network. In 2025, you might need to add a custom RPC for XRP or use a wrapped version like WXRP on Ethereum-compatible chains. Copy your MetaMask wallet address, double-check it's the right one to avoid any mishaps. Next, log into your Uphold account. Navigate to your XRP holdings, and select the option to withdraw or send. Paste the MetaMask address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Don't forget to enter the amount you want to transfer and check for any network fees. XRP transactions are usually super cheap, but fees can vary. Before you hit confirm, verify everything twice. In 2025, with enhanced security protocols, you might see two-factor authentication or additional verification steps. Once you're good, go ahead and initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification from Uphold. Now, head back to MetaMask and keep an eye on your wallet. The transfer should show up shortly, depending on network congestion. If it's your first time, celebrate that small win. You've just bridged your assets like a pro. One quick tip: always use official apps and double-check addresses to steer clear of scams. If you run into issues, reach out to community forums or support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.